as cybersecurity threats and data privacy regulations become more stringent, your organization needs to ensure that you have robust data protection measures to safeguard your business and customers. This means that you have to go beyond your own procedures and evaluate the possible risks when outsourcing to third parties. Data privacy compliance responsibility extends throughout the supply chain, where your organization could face severe consequences for failures by your vendors or suppliers. So, how can you assess your vendors or suppliers at scale and in a consistent manner, without spending a lot of time and resources chasing and reviewing documentation? That's where Venminder's Data Protection Assessment comes in. It's a comprehensive risk-based review of the controls your vendor or supplier has in place to protect against cybersecurity threats and meet data privacy regulations. Our experienced data protection professionals collect evidence and documentation on your vendors or suppliers, and then they assess their data protection practices for alignment with regulations and standards, ensuring the vendor or supplier has implemented critical controls found within regulatory requirements, standards, frameworks, and laws, including U.S. state and international privacy laws, such as the California Consumer Privacy Act, Virginia Consumer Data Protection Act, and GDPR. The assessment covers several risk domains, such as data privacy, where we conduct an in-depth review of their data privacy practices, covering breach notifications, privacy notices, data requests, consent, and sharing with fourth parties. Security testing, where we provide you with insights into your vendor or supplier's security testing, vulnerability scans and tests, and the phishing exercises carried out on their systems and personnel. Information security governance, where we provide you with a clear view of whether the vendor or supplier has formal programs, policies, and industry standard practices in place, such as whether they conduct background checks, have a personally identifiable information retention policy, a designated chief information security officer, and more. Sensitive data security, where we evaluate the security practices employed by your vendors or suppliers to protect sensitive data that is stored and processed. Our assessment covers encryption, DDoS mitigation, incident detection and response, as well as their software or application security. Resiliency, where we assess their ability to withstand virtual and physical potential business impacting events, including reviewing controls ranging from data backups to on-site generators to better understand the potential for uninterrupted continuation of your business operations, even in challenging situations. And finally, business continuity, where we assess your vendor or supplier's capacity to provide services during unexpected business disruptions and their ability to resume normal operations, including the number of hours for recovery time objective and recovery point objective. We also verify that they have documented business continuity plans and disaster recovery plans in place and provide you with a summary of their documented process for service interruption or degradation. You will receive a detailed report with risk ratings and information on each domain, as well as an overall summary of your vendor or supplier's data protection measures. You can easily access and download the report from Venminder's platform and share it with your internal stakeholders or board for review and decision-making. With Venminder's Data Protection Assessment, you can take proactive measures to protect against cybersecurity threats and meet data privacy regulations, and ensure you and your team have the right insights you need to make better risk-based decisions. Learn more about Venminder's Data Protection Assessment by visiting www.venminder.com.